Stop clicking that button. The Easy Apply button on LinkedIn isn't a doorway to your dream job. It's a lottery ticket. And in this market, the odds are stacked against you. If you're sending out 100 resumes a week and getting nothing but automated rejections, you're playing the wrong game. I've analyzed how the top 1% of junior devs actually land roles at big tech and high-growth startups. The truth is, the most lucrative jobs never even make it to a public job board. They're filled via referrals and proven talent before the post button is even clicked. Today, we're stopping the resume spam. I'm going to show you how to access the hidden job market. We'll cover how to use open source to prove your skills before the interview, and how to network strategically so you're the one being recruited, not the one begging for a chance. Stop acting like a candidate. Start acting like a contributor. Let's dive in. Let's be honest. You've been doing the LinkedIn dance. You spend hours polishing your resume. You tweak your keywords. You hit apply. And then nothing. Absolute silence. You aren't alone. Right now, a single entry-level role can get 500 applications in the first 2 hours. You aren't competing against other developers. You're competing against an algorithm. Most of those resumes never even reach a human eye. They get swallowed by the ATS, the applicant tracking system. It starts to get in your head. You start wondering if your projects aren't impressive enough, or if you missed some obscure framework. You spend another weekend grinding leak code, thinking that one more medium problem is the secret key. But here is the cold truth. You can be the most talented coder in the room, but if you're just another PDF in a pile of 1,000, you are invisible. You're playing a lottery where the house always wins. Applying through portals isn't job hunting. It's wishing. And wishing doesn't pay the rent. Most of you are screaming into a void. When you hit that easy apply button, you aren't applying for a job. You're entering a lottery where the odds are stacked against you by an algorithm. To win in this market, you have to stop acting like a candidate and start acting like a contributor. You need to tap into the hidden job market. This is where the best roles are filled before they ever hit a job board. Here is the blueprint to get in. Step 1. Kill the tutorial project mindset. Stop building things that look like every other bootcamp grad's portfolio. Recruiters are blind to these. They don't prove you can code, they prove you can follow a YouTube tutorial. Instead, go to GitHub. Find an open source project you actually use. Look for the good first issue tag. Fix a bug. Improve the documentation. Submit a pull request. When you contribute to a real-world codebase, you're doing 2 things. First, you're proving you can work with a professional team's standards. Second, you're creating a public paper trail of your competence. You are no longer a hopeful applicant. You are a contributor. Step 2. Strategic networking. Most people think networking is sending "Can you refer me?" messages to strangers. That is spam. It's annoying, and it gets ignored. Strategic networking is about providing value first. Instead of asking for a favor, find the engineering manager of the team you want to join. Mention the specific PR you just merged into their project or a bug you found in their public API. Say, "Hey, I've been using your tool and noticed X. I submitted a fix for it here. Love the way you handled the architecture in the Y module." Now, you aren't a stranger asking for a handout. You're a peer who has already added value to their product. That is how you bypass the ATS entirely. Now, let's be real. The hidden market gets you the interview, but you still have to pass the technical. While you're building your public profile, keep the engine running. Use Leak Code Premium to target the specific patterns the top firms are asking for right now. Don't just grind, study the patterns. And if your resume still looks like a generic template, use a professional optimization tool to ensure the few times you do apply, you actually hit the keyword triggers. Stop praying for a recruiter to find your PDF. Build in public. Solve real problems. Make it impossible for them to ignore you. Now, networking is the cheat code, but you still need a foundation that doesn't crumble during the technical round. If you're struggling with patterns, Leak Code Premium is the fastest way to bridge that gap. And for the few applications you actually send, stop guessing. Use a resume optimizer to ensure you're not getting filtered out by a bot before a human even sees your name. I've put links to these and LinkedIn Premium for those strategic outreach messages in the description below. When you combine a contributor mindset with these tools, the result isn't 500 ghosted applications. It's 3 high-quality interviews from people who already respect your work. Stop playing the lottery. Start building your leverage. If this shifted your perspective, hit subscribe. Let's get you hired.